Welcome back. So finally, we're gonna be working on C32. I wanna show you guys exactly what I've got going on here for the C32. And I think most of you are gonna be excited, especially if you guys do own the M112K platform. If you guys have kept up with the videos on the C32, it's on its final stage, and there are a few things that I wanna do to it in terms of performance upgrades. You guys are gonna be really excited about this. I've got some parts from Moscow Supercharged here with me. I want to show you guys something brand new that they've developed for the M112K. So you guys stay tuned on this one. A few background on this. You guys already know this car, where it's at, and the plans that I had for it. I did mention it in past videos. If you guys want to keep up with those videos, definitely go check it out. So we said we were going to upgrade the pulley on the C32. Right now I'm currently rocking a 65mm pulley, Supercharger pulley, and I said I was going to go down. So I've got a new pulley here. I want to show you guys real quick. So we've got another titanium pulley from Moscow Supercharged. This thing is beautiful. This thing is really light. So this pulley size that I went with is a 63mm Supercharger pulley. I really enjoy the 64mm and really wanted to get that last performance down on the C32 since I'm running E85 now. So having a 63mm pulley is going to be fantastic. That's pretty much it in terms of boost wise, like supercharger upgrade, like the pulley with the crank pulley. You guys already know what size I'm running down there. So the 63 is going to be fantastic. It's going to be phenomenal. The 65mm pulley here, I'm not too sure what exactly I'm going to be doing with it. Maybe some of you might want this pulley. Just let me know. Send me DMs or comment down below. That's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be installing this and dialing this with the Mercedes swap shop. We're going to look at fuel trims and then dial in AFR. I'm not sure how much of a difference this is going to make, but I'm pretty sure we might have to make some adjustments. We'll see. You guys will all see in the video whenever we go ahead and tune it and install the pulley on the 32. And if you guys are curious, yes, it does come with the shims, so you can gap it at the right spec. They even list the gap spec right here, so this is really nice to have. It's really nice that they included this in here. So now you guys should be really excited about this. The other part that I have for the 32 is a looped fuel rail, and the looped fuel rail is beautiful. Let me go ahead and get this unboxed for you guys. Man, this looks really good. Really good. Wow. So we've got the left side. We do have the right side. Look at that. This is nicely built. I really like how the design is on here. It's got the left and the right. This is pretty much the same as the E55s. They do have loop fuel rails for the E55 as well, and they do pretty much look the same. This right here, this obviously will connect back here onto this side and on the other side. And the really nice thing about this, it's labeled back, and then you've got the front right here also labeled, so you can tell which side goes on which side. Once I get to installing this, you guys, I will show you how to do all of this. You're basically going to be replacing the stock fuel rail, which has a regulator on it. This is a loop fuel rail, so you're going to constantly have fuel on every cylinder, and that's just a safety feature to have, an extra layer of protection. These things are phenomenal. I think they're great for especially boosted cars. You don't want to miss out on this. So this is something that you can pick up on their website. I'll throw their website down below. You guys can check it out. If you guys are thinking about picking up one, expect to probably get it delivered to you in the next, month and a half. What else is included on this? So this right here is the little valve check that you would install on the fuel rail. If you guys can see right there, you would go ahead and screw that in. I'll show you guys everything once we install it, but pretty much this is where you would check the pressure. That's pretty much about it. Very simple. This looks really good. I would highly advise you guys get in this product. from Moscow Supercharged. If you guys are looking for something like this, like the same setup that I have, I do have a discount code for these crossover surge tanks. These crossovers are from Needs Wings. These things are phenomenal. I will put my discount code in the link down below. You guys can use that and purchase one of these. It drastically reduces the price whenever you guys are checking out. I would say take advantage of these surge tanks crossovers.